Adjusting Ant-Man?
Yeah.
You're gonna have to send me that one. Turn over on your back, buddy. Maybe I'll send that to Jared and you can play it tomorrow. And that will do my 60-second commercial. Dr. Jeff, adjust Ant-Man. So what button do I have to push to make you like 8 feet tall?
The big one right there.
That button right there?
But don't.
But I won't touch it, trust me. Trust me, I won't touch it. Now, I gotta ask you to do me a favor though. When I'm adjusting your neck here, and I'm gonna have to check your sinuses at some point, I gotta take the hat off. So can we just take the mask off for a moment? Thank you, buddy. I'll let you put it back on, but I gotta get your neck and I gotta check your sinuses. Yes, I do. Okay.
Stronger
Ready?
than you. So like, oh.
Well, you will be after I get adjust you. This is for your sinuses. How have they been with all the crazy pollen out there?
Yeah, it's been bad.
Is he doing his apple cider vinegar and
I'm doing all
a little bit of honey?
protocols.
Oh, excuse me, bud. There we go. And a smile. There you go. And one more. Stay relaxed. That was great. Now I gotta come around, Mom.
Is it supposed to crack? My neck?
That was, yes. That was supposed to. Smile. And that was supposed to. Turn on your tummy.
Ah,
There we go.
why do I?
Okay, Ant-Man. Now, do you have a girlfriend named the Wasp?
No.
Relax your legs. Relax your legs. Relax your legs. Thank you. Hold your leg up. You don't have a girlfriend yet?
Used to. Maybe.
Hold your leg up. Okay, you relax. Relax. Bring the leg, there you go. Relax your arms. Okay, one more spot and then you are a free man, Ant-Man. Breathe in. All the way.
Why?
There you go.
In the
Hold
movie,
up.
he's normally in prison.
He's in prison. He's free to run around now.
For now.
Okay, Ant-Man.
Why does Papa always last?
How do you feel, Logan?
How do you feel?
Feel sweaty.
You feel sweaty? There you go.